Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have solved problems and now we are going to discuss another problems. Uh, like this is the questions. The first question is find k if 2kx square minus x plus 1 has equal and real roots. So that is the roots are equal and must be real. So then what is the value of k, so that I put the value of k so that the roots must be equal and real roots. And second problem, the same kind of problems, the find the k if 2k plus 1 in bracket, this is x square minus 3kx plus 1 has equal and real roots. The solution before uh, discussing the solution of the question, we have discussed earlier in earlier sessions, if the x is equal to the solution of a quadratic equation, that is quadratic formula, under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and b square minus 4ac is equal to d. If it is equal to 0, that is discriminant, we call it discriminant. If it is equal to 0, that means if d is equal to 0, or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus minus 0 under root upon 2a. This is equal to minus b upon 2a. So then the roots of the equations, are minus b upon 2a, because it is a quadratic equation that there are two roots, so minus b upon 2a. So basically these roots are minus b upon 2a and minus b upon 2a. Right, this is called equal roots, and because b is real, a is real, so then minus b upon 2a is also real number. So we will use these rules for the solution of these equations. The solution number 1, and the equation has equal and real roots, right? See, this one has equal and real roots, so that is d is equal to 0. So d is 2kx square minus x plus 1. This is the equation which we have. So a is 2k, b is minus 1, and c is 1. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and b is minus 1 square minus 4, a is 2k, and c is 1 is equal to 0. Right, then minus 1 square is 1, minus 4 into 2 8k into 1 8k is equal to 0. Then minus 8k is equal to minus 1, minus minus cancel out, that is 8k is equal to 1, then k is equal to 1 upon 8. That means if I put this is k is equal to 1 upon 8, then this quadratic equation has equal roots, right, for this one k. And now the solution for the next solution number 2, we have quadratic equation. This is 2k plus 1 into x square minus 3kx plus 1 is equal to 0. Now a is 2k plus 1, b is minus 3k, and c is 1. Right, the roots are equal, so then d is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and b we have, this is minus 3k, this is whole square, minus 4 into a is 2k plus 1 into c is 1 is equal to 0. This is 9k square minus 8k plus into minus 4 is equal to 0. Now see this one. Now this is a further quadratic equations. Here in quadratic equation x is the variable. Here just check it, is another quadratic equations we get after putting the value of d is equal to 0 abc, and we get another quadratic equations, that is k is the variable. Here we don't know what is the k is the variable, and that is the equations. We again put this one, this is a is 9, b is minus 8, and c is minus 4. Right, it is not we cannot compare this one a, this one, for this one. This is ABC is their real numbers, could be anything. Now that's k. We have put the x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If this is k, if the variable is k, then we write this is again this minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now this is minus b minus 8 plus minus under root minus 8 whole square minus 4 into a is 9 and c is minus 4. C is minus 4 upon 2a, 2 into 9. Now this is equal to 8 plus minus, it is 864 minus, this is into minus 4. Let's check this one, minus 4, 16. This is 16 into 9 upon 2a. This is 18. Now this is equal to 8 plus minus under root 64 plus 144 upon 18. Now this is equal to 8 plus minus, this is 802,208 upon 18. If you want to further solve it, this is k, we have, this is k, right? If you want to further solve it, it is not a perfect square. So if you want to further solve it further, you can, right? So that is another quadratic equations. We get this one and we solve this another that quadratic equations and we get the k. The k must be, this is 8 plus minus under root 208 upon 18, right? This is the solution. Thank you students.